Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into a solution for one of the most common winter woes: dry, cracked hands. Introducing O'Keeffe's Working Hands Hand Cream, the ultimate remedy for severely dry and cracked skin. This hand cream isn't just any ordinary lotion. It's a concentrated formula specifically designed to heal, relieve, and repair extremely dry, cracked hands. And with over 18,000 ratings and a stellar 4.8-star average on Amazon, it's no wonder this product is making waves in the beauty and personal care industry. What sets O'Keeffe's Working Hands apart from the rest? Let's take a closer look at its key features. First up, the healing power. This hand cream creates a protective layer on the skin's surface that locks in moisture and promotes healing. Say goodbye to cracked, painful hands, and hello to smooth, hydrated skin. But don't just take our word for it. Clinical studies have shown that when used daily, O'Keeffe's Working Hands is clinically proven to instantly boost moisture levels, prevent further moisture loss, and create a protective barrier that makes a noticeable difference within days. So, what are the benefits of incorporating O'Keeffe's Working Hands into your skincare routine? Whether you're a construction worker, a caregiver, or simply someone battling winter dryness, this hand cream is perfect for anyone looking to restore moisture and vitality to their hands. Plus, its non-greasy formula means you can apply it anytime, anywhere, without worrying about leaving behind a sticky residue. And for those with sensitive skin or conditions like diabetes, O'Keeffe's Working Hands is hypoallergenic, unscented, and safe to use. So there you have it, folks. If you're tired of dealing with dry, cracked hands, it's time to give O'Keeffe's Working Hands hand cream a try. Don't let winter weather get the best of you. Grab a jar today and say hello to smoother, healthier hands. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on products that deliver real results. See you next time.